2023 Kia Sportage. You see what's good. Let me show you how to reset the oil life. Alright, press this button. You gotta go convenience. This is like okay, just press it. Now you go oil change reminder. Press that okay. Reset oil life. Oil life has been reset. Alright. 2023 Kia Sportage. This is how you go back. Press this guy. Up. No, I don't want that. Up. That. Okay. What else we have here? Service interval. That's how you set it up. Press there. Adjust interval. 5,000. Press OK. Up. Press OK. Okay. The months could be 3 months or 5 months. Save it. Yes. Alright. That's how you do it. Hala.